If you have a data set with first name and last name combined together in one cell, and if you like to split those first name and last name into two different cells like this, there are two ways to get around it. The first one is to use a Ctrl E. First, type the first name manually like this and hit enter. And then go to any cell below what you just entered and press Ctrl E. What it does is that it goes ahead and uses this as a reference to get all your first name. For the last name is same thing. You type the word last name, hit enter, and go to any cell below it and press Ctrl E. And after that, it does all the same thing again. This technique also works on any names with middle name as well. For method number 2, you use formulas. To get the first name, the formula is equal, type the word left, which is your function that you're going to use. Select the name, comma, and now you're going to have to find the space between the first and the last name. You type the word find, open parenthesis, and then the delimiter between the first name and the last name is always a space, comma, followed by the name again, and you close parenthesis for the find, and then another one for the red one, and finally for the left, and hit enter. As you can see, what it does is that it isolates the first name and shows you only the first name like that. And then for the last name, the formula is a bit convoluted. I'll leave in the description below or on the screen here. This is the formula, basically using a trim, write, substitute, and repeat to do it. And there you go. So this is your last name, and you double click on this guy to apply to all the name. And this second method also works for people with 3 names in it, like with the middle name. This one here, this one, and this one.